Hi guys, this is Ashish and you are watching ASB Media. In this video we will learn about HTML links, link colors, link bookmarks, HTML images and HTML lists. So first it starts with HTML link. HTML links are hyperlinks that you can click on a link and jump to another page easily. When you move the mouse, suppose this, whenever you move the mouse over a link, the mouse will turn into a little hand, and the HTML tags defines the hyperlink, and it has also the following syntax. So syntax is defined as it is a starting angle bracket a tag, and href attribute this is the URL. Here you need to write the URL of the linking page, and link text, and it is the closing tag. So clicking on the link text will send the reader to specified URL address, and these links can be targeted to different attributes. So different target attributes are specified here. Just to open the link documents, so first of all, self default opens the document in the same window or the tab as it is clicked. So blank opens the document in the new window or tab. Parent opens the document in the parent frame. Top opens the document in the full body of the window. Let's take example. Create a new file. Type links.html. Just type a tag a href equal to. Here you need to give the URL. So I have created the first page.html in the previous videos. So just link first page.html. Type first page.html, and here you give your text. Suppose link is here. So just save it and go to your directory where you have saved links. Just open it. So here the link is created. Now link is here. So whenever you click on the link, just it opens the first page.html or whatever the you have linked URL. Just you see here, just once clicking, you see the link color is changed to red, and after that when you back, then again it comes to purple. So here I have note one HTML link color. By default the link will appear like this in all the browsers as you have seen, and an unvisited link is underlined in blue as seen. Just see once. Yes, an unvisited link is, suppose just refresh it. Yes, underline in blue, and visited link will appear underline in purple. So back color underline in purple, change color, and an active link is underlined in red. Just on clicking it becomes active, so it is red. So it is the default value, so you can change it using the CSS. We are creating our first CSS. Let's write style. So here we have written a tag, so just write here a, and we need to change the link colors. So first type link and curly braces, type change color, suppose I'm changing to green, then background color transparent. Text decoration means underline or something you can give here. Text decoration I have given none, no underline, nothing. In the link, it is the just starting, it will appear as like we have set here in the CSS a link. Now create for visited, a colon visited. So whenever you visit that link, so color will be changed to, set here color yellow, background color transparent, text decoration, and when it is active, so just write here active, curly braces, type red, background color transparent, and text decoration underline. Just save it, move to browser, just refresh it. So doc type HTML, create one another link, a href URL styles.html, then slash a, Let's type move to page. So save it and just change color purple to yellow, and the link will be green and this will be red. Okay, just save it, move to browser, refresh it. So here we are now seeing that it is, the visited page is yellow and the link page will be green. So just we have visited the link A, it is showing the visited color. So just on clicking you will see the red color. Click on it, so you will move to styles.html. Now we can create HTML bookmarks. Use the id attribute id equal to value to define the bookmarks in a page. So here h2 is the heading 2, and id define id equal to value, it defines the bookmarks attribute. It is para h2 closing tag, and use href attribute equal to hashtag value, hashtag and the value that you have given p4. So just type p4. So whenever you click on this a href jump to para 4, so the content written inside the h2, it will move to content written inside the h2 para 4. See example, type here br, just break the, now create h2 id equal to, just leave blank, slash h2 home, write content inside it, and id tells, just type t1, create link. So here the creating linking attributes, so you need to use here hashtag value. So value what you will set in the id t1, so write here hashtag t1 and write here contents, move to home. Take this move to home to more one to add, so just type, just copy and paste it, type t2, move to contact id, just to change it to id t2, save it. So here two times home is coming, so this I remove id from here as we have copied it to look good. Type here you, this is you content. As we don't have much text in this paragraph, so we need to reduce the size. If you want to work with a large scale, so just add here paragraphs, more paragraphs. So here take an example, just refresh it and just click to move to home, so it is coming to move to home content. So just back, move to contact, so it is coming move to contact. So it is not in the proper way, just if you add the more paragraphs, more written context text, so it will look good. So just so in this way you can use the bookmark page. So next move to html images. So it has a basic tag, image tag img is used to embed an image in a web page. So image src, it starts with an angle bracket image, then it is a source attribute source equal to picture, which image you want to display in the browsers. So just name it here with dot extensions, jpg, png, jpeg, whatever, gif, and alt, it is the alternate name for the picture in page. So source specifies the path to the image and alt specifies the alternate text for the image. And we can add here css property image floating. Use the css property float property to let the image be float to left side or either right side. And we can adjust the image's height, width. So you can use the style attribute to specify width and height of the image. So image, just you need to write style, that we have discussed style equal to width, it is a width property, and this value, so 500 pixel, 600 pixel, so you can change value, or just you give width equal to 100%, so it will be the maximum size of the image. So background image on the html element, to add the background image on the html element, use the html style attribute. So p style background image, and here also url, so background image url, and this url will be the which image you want to display here. Just type the image, create a new file, html images, So start with doc type HTML. So write image tag img src, as I have saved the images in this source, this directory location, so I want this image one to be displayed. So just type image.jpg, style width I am setting to 300, height equal to height I am setting to 300 pixels, same. And floating property, float to right side, and alternate text alt equal to this image type, save it HTML. So you can use, and it is the floating property, float in the right. So you can add here paragraphs, move right paragraphs p, inside paragraph write this text, save it, move to browser, move to presentation, floating images, size, pictures, then p style background image URL. So just add background image to paragraph. This can be added just here, p style background image, type URL, then background.png, refresh. So you can see here now the background image in this paragraph element. We can use this image to background and fix this, and no repeat, with no repeat. So move to this part, background color. If you want the background color to cover the entire element, you can set the background size property cover. So background size cover it, whole size of the browser, and also make entire element to be always covered with background attachment fix. So the image whatever you will give in the for the background, it will be fixed, it do not moves. So here background, you can see here style body background URL picture.jpg, and background repeat, no repeat, there will be no repetition of the background image, and the attachment it is fixed, and size is, it will cover the whole page. Create style, as we are using CSS, so better to create style, and type body tag curly braces, and background image URL is background dot png, then no repeat, background attachment it is fixed, just right, background size cover, just save it, move to browser, refresh. So you can see the background image now filled with the background.png image. So just decrease this browser size whenever you move here. So just you see, whenever you are scrolling down, all the time the background image is fixed, so it looks good in making these modern websites. So in this way you can create here background image with fixed, and images, floating images, then adding paragraphs, floating images, adding paragraphs, image, and many more. This can be done. Suppose you want to change this image border, so just move in this style, border radius reduces to 50%, save it, move, refresh. So it is reduced to 50%. And suppose you want to give shadow, adding box shadow, then type the size, suppose 5 pixel, color right, black, RGB, save, move to browser, then refresh it. Next, move to HTML list. Unordered HTML list starts with an UL, that is unordered list UL tag, and each list starts with li list tag, and the list elements will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default in unordered list. And the basic syntax of the unordered list is UL style type square. It is the inline CSS, and this value you can change it to disk circle square none, and by default it will come in small black circles, so you can change it to this disk square circle, and if you don't want it, just type none. And move to our ordered list. An ordered list starts with ol ordered list tag, and each list item starts with li list tag, and the list item here will be marked with numbers by default. So if you don't write anything, just it will starts with 1 2 3 and so on. So you can change the type value here, type 1, so it will be numeric, numbered with it will be numbered with numbers default by default. And if you type here capital A, then it will, the numbers will start with the uppercase letters. If you type small a, then it will start with lowercase letters. And if you type here capital I, this Roman I, so it will start with uppercase Roman numbers. So in this way the ordered list and unordered list can be created. So just see how it can be created. So type here create a new file. It is list.html. Then again type here, then type ul unordered list and slash ul list li, just copy it, paste, list, open it. So here by default it is circle, dark circles coming list. Then there are various list item apple, list item mango, banana, orange. So you can again modify it with various list style type, style type square. Okay, browser listing, refresh it. It is now it is coming square list. So this can, in this way unordered list can be created with various list style types. So now just once see it, just create it here ol, just change it to ol ordered list of ordered list, just have one, save it, refresh. It will, now it will numbered with 1 2 3 4, and if you change it to Roman 1, save it, refresh. So it will coming, it is coming in Roman 1 2 3 4. And if you don't want any numbering, so just in the ul none, just save it and refresh. So it is coming now list style type apple. So in this way you can create list, unordered list, then ordered list, then various list style property. And in the ordered list various types, there is Roman numbers, integer numbers, and capital uppercase letters, lowercase letter. This can be, this you can add it to your web page. And suppose if you want to display it's all in the flex, so just add style here, display flex, save, refresh. So you can see all lists are coming in this single line. Create a style sheet, create a style here, create a style, then just type here li curly braces, then here margin, not margin, type padding right, padding right is 12 pixels, padding right 12 pixels. Okay, now change the color, add more CSS, right color is white, and using UL change UL to background color just change to teal, then change padding 10 px, save it, just move to browser and refresh. So you see this portion is the UL portion, so we have changed the background color to teal, and padding we have used from left, right, top, bottom, from all side 10 pixels. So list type apple, list type mango, then list item banana, orange. So in between every list we have created list padding right with right 12 pixels, color white, and in this way we can create various beautiful links, just clickable links using the linking pages, so that we will discuss later. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.